Truncate command in SQL. The SQL truncate table command is used to delete complete data from an existing table. You can also use drop table command to delete complete table, but it would remove complete table structure from the database and you would need to recreate this table once again. This would create problem for everybody. At professional level, tables are very large and table structure may be complicated. So it to recreate the table structure will be problematic. So drop is very dangerous command because it drops the whole structure of the table. Uh, Truncate is a DDL command. Example, create, drop, alter. Like that, truncate is a DDL command. We cannot use where clause with truncate because syntax of truncate is truncate table table name. Truncate removes all rows from a table. Truncate uses less transaction space than the delete statement because when because for truncate it is not necessary to store data at any other place like delete because in delete data is stored at in rollbacks table space. Truncate truncate is faster because in delete command data is stored in rollback table space like recycle bin. Data can retrieve with rollback. In truncate command there is no rollback operation, so it is faster. Delete command acts like when we use delete any folder from our PC, it go to recycle bin, and from recycle bin we can restore the folder again. Like that, when we use delete command, at that time the data is stored in rollback table space, and it acts like a recycle bin, and from that rollback table space, when we use rollback command, at that time the data can be retrieved again. Syntax for truncate table is truncate table table name. Important note: use truncate only when there is final decision to delete the data, because if truncate used, then data will lost permanently. First, we create a table with EMP name, EMP ID, name and job. Table is created here. We can see table. Then insert values or insert rows in table. Start from table. These are the three records inserted in the table. If we use drop table, invalid object name EMP, because the whole table and structure of table dropped because of drop table command. If we see here, if we see here table, whole table dropped. To delete complete, now these three records inserted again, we see the effect of delete. Delete from emp where emp id is equal to 2. So we try to delete this record having emp id 2 and row get vector. Now this second record deleted, we can delete full, we can delete all the records, delete from emp. Delete from emp. Now we try to roll back the deleted records. Rollback transaction request has no corresponding begin transaction. So here we have to mention begin transaction. Begin transaction. Now we have to get the data. Command executed successfully. Select star from emp. Now we perform rollback operation, but we can't get the deleted records. It is said here in delete command data is stored in rollback table space like recycle bin. Data can retrieve with rollback, but here we see the result that deleted records cannot get after rollback operation. What happened? If in Oracle database and in MySQL database we can give only rollback command and all the records will be rollback, but in SQL server if we want to delete the record we have to mention here begin transaction. So first we again insert records. There are three records and we try to delete all the three records. Now begin transaction delete from emp. Now all the three records deleted. So if we perform begin transaction rollback operation, command executed successfully. Select star for employee. Now we can get here all the three records again. So it is happens like this. In delete command data is stored in rollback table space like recycle bin. Data can retrieve with rollback. So we can get data with rollback. Now we use truncate command, and for truncate table name. Now we use truncate table name, truncate table emp. If we execute this truncate command and we try to execute rollback command, operation is successfully complete. Now with rollback, records deleted permanently and we can't able to get the records again. Similarly, if we again insert the records in the table, select star from emp, then here we have use begin transaction delete from emp. Now we use commit command here. If we use commit here, the transaction becomes final. So if we try to roll back again, then we perform rollback operation here or execute rollback command here and then select star from mp. Now we can't able to get the records because if we use begin transaction delete from emp and commit, this deletion becomes permanent. If we don't want to, if uh, we don't want to delete permanently, we have to avoid commit here, and if we give commit here, the deletion becomes permanently here, and at that time rollback of and at that time rollback never happens. So while deleting, we have to take care of this commit. If we want to delete temporarily, we have to avoid commit, and if we give here commit, the records will deleted permanently from the with delete query. Like truncate, all the records will delete. So we have to take care of this. So that is all about rollback. So that's all about truncate. Thank you. So if we use truncate only, so use truncate only when there is final decision to delete data, because if truncate used, then data will lose permanently. So if we have assurance that data will not need again and it is okay to delete the data permanently, in that case only truncate should be used. So that is all about truncate. Thank you.